we promise to love, honor, cherish, and obey Him, forsaking all others in sickness as well as in health, in adversity as well as in prosperity, as long as we shall above faith. We solemnly swear before God and these witnesses that you will be faithful only to Him and to be only unto Him the rest of your life till death do part. So now we shall thank you very much for us.
Iyak na lang.
Ito na yung dating na pinapangarap natin. Ito na yung kukumpleto sa pagsasama natin dalawa. At kukumpleto sa binuo natin na pamilya.